Okay, folks, tonight we have, oh my god, a ton of snakes on our desk. Like they're everywhere. Oh wait, these aren't snakes, are they? No. No, just cables. Lots and lots of cables. And one poisonous, evil one among them. We'll get to that in a moment. Next, right after the intro, let's go to that right now. Alright, folks. Now, to get on to the explanation at hand. This particular beast down there is the P20 knockoff. Nobody won the giveaway because nobody entered properly. I had one guy leave a comment, but he said he was from Morocco. Apparently, he didn't read the rules that were clearly stated in the video. You have to live in North America. And last I checked, North America does not include Morocco. But, all that being said, this allowed me today to play around with this guy right here. Install some apps, play around. Bottom line, yeah, I noticed something. Well, I was trying to do a screencasting app. How my cable, this one, the one I use all the time, it's nice and short, plugs in right over here into the Zotac. Very short distance. I can lay the phone down like right there when all the snakes aren't in the picture. But point is, it never popped up and said USB device detected. That's kind of weird. Turns out, yeah, that was the reason. This is a cable I either found, acquired, I don't know where I got it from, but it's nice, it's short, it will charge the phone. That's all this cable does, no data. So I started checking all my other cables. So, first off we have the, my super long USB to micro USB cable. Works fine. And then we have a USB to USB-C. Cable. There you go. Now that's for the Chewy iBook, but it works. And this is the cable that came with this super cheap phone here that no one wanted, and good for them. It allowed me to do this video. It works just dandy. And of course, I currently have the phone plugged into the USB port over here. Right there. Right here. And down here, using a USB-C adapter, because the two front ports are USB-C, we have the good old Chewy HiBook. Looking good still, although I can't get it to boot to Windows still, so I'm thinking of giving it away. I can't really realistically sell that to anyone. So I have all them cables, and then up here, well, what do we have? Other than the fact we have the light bouncing off the screen. But nobody entered the giveaway. That's all well and good. Thank God they didn't. Otherwise I'd probably never even noticed this problem. But go in here with a proper cable. Oh look, P20 Pro. It's still lying to us here. It says there's like 58 gig left. Not even close, folks. There's like 2.9 gig left on this phone. I don't know how they do that, or even why they felt compelled to lie to us so much. And then, of course, there is the HiBook, which is giving us the correct Android portions. You can go right in, delete files, move files, and I'll be able to do the same thing I've done with this video on the Blue Studio, which we're shooting it on. And guess what? Bam! USB-C or USB 3.0. Sorry. It'll work just dandy. So that's all I got for tonight. Just a little learning experience. I just had never even noticed the fact that every time I plugged in one or the other of the second phone or the Blue Studio, that it just didn't do poop. As far as going ka-ding in Windows to tell me I had connected to another drive. Now I don't have to hassle with Wi-Fi anymore and using AirDroid, which I don't mind AirDroid, but it is not going to be nearly as fast to transfer these files over to the Zotac as the hassle of going through USB. And on that note, we're done. Thanks for watching. And oh, and by the way, here's the reason. Here's how the HiBook used to look when Windows 10 worked. There's a nice little laptop fit right in my K480 keyboard. Super cool. but it no longer does that. So I'm thinking of giving it away. If anyone has a suggestion on how to do that, or just thinks they're the world's greatest hacker, I'll send you this Chewy iBook. It's got a good display. Looks fantastic. That's up to you. Let me know. Leave comments. Subscribe to the channel if you found any of this informative. Well, share it. Thanks. And a thumbs up would be super handy. Later, folks.
I've been flying from town to town.